Today we're at Riverside Park, right next to the Au Gres River, and we are planting a 600 square foot bioswale. The bioswale is designed using native plants to slow down the runoff and using natural processes with plants to break down pollutants that are carried in runoff, whether it's salt water from the road, pet waste from the yard, oil, antifreeze, anything that can be collected by the water as it flows down that hill. The bioswale is designed to slow it down and capture it before it can enter a waterway. And here in Au Gres, Riverside Park is right next to the Au Gres River. So anything that makes its way across a parking lot or off of Highway 23, it can drain directly into the Au Gres River. And what we want to do is minimize the impact of that stormwater runoff. What my goal is for my students is to not only teach them scientific principles, but also to give them practical application of that knowledge. Through our collaborative effort with Huron Pines, we decided that we would like to install green infrastructure. And so this year, students were able to design and also plan and learn about native Michigan plants to install the bioswale that you see behind us.
We're installing a bioswale that was designed by the Au Gres Sims environmental science class, the 2019-2020 class. It's about 2 feet deep that we excavated and put a layer of gravel about 1 foot deep to add some more pore space because we had some drainage issues, so it has a little bit more water holding capacity. And then we've got kind of a sandier topsoil and then 17 different species of native plants. This class went through and looked at bloom times, so they wanted it to be even throughout the spring to the fall, so we have things blooming at all times, not only for the aesthetics but also for wildlife habitat, to have that sustained pollen and nectar for pollinators. It's a small piece of the puzzle as far as water quality goes, but it's also a great piece to teach and inform the community about how they can treat stormwater on their own properties. So if adopted over a wider landscape, can have pretty big implications for water quality.